Morning children, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in our last class we have seen practice time, in that we have seen two sums, story sums. Now it's turn for the third number sum, page number 127 of your textbook. So please take out. What is written here? The third question. Razia wants change for rupees 500. Razia had a note of 500 rupees and she wants the change. Change means छुट्टा चाहिए उसको. How many notes will she get if she wants in the written? So how many notes she will get? The question is there. All 100 notes, all 100 rupees note. If the all 100 rupees notes are there, then how many notes she will get? That when we have to find out. So here what will we do? 500. She has a note of rupees 500, right? And in the written, she wants in the form of the 100 rupees. So just we divide by the rupees 100. Okay. After dividing 500 by 100, we will get 100. 5s are 500. So how many notes of 100 she will get in the written? So she has got 5 notes of 100 in the written is equal to 5 notes. Okay. Now the second question is given there. That is what is written there. All 50 rupees notes. If she wants all 50 rupees notes, then how many notes she will get? Again same, we have 500 rupees. We have rupees 500 and we want in the form of the rupees 50. So just divided by 50. So after dividing 500 with 50, what will you get? 50. Yes, 50 ones are 50. First of all we will take this. So 50 ones are 50. Okay. 0, 0. Drag this 0 downside. 50 zeros are 0, 0. So 0, 0. So how many notes she will get? She will get 10 notes of rupees 50. So what will be right here? 10 notes of 50. Okay, so this is for the second. First of all, if she wants in the form of the 100 rupees, then she will get the 5 notes of 100. If she wants the change in the form of rupees 50, then she will get the 10 notes of 50, 50. Okay, now see all 20 rupees notes. If she wants all the notes of 20, then how many notes she will get? So again we have rupees 500 and we want in the form of rupees 20. So let's do the division. 500 divided by 20. 22s are 40. And here 1, 0, 0. This 0 we have to drag downside. Then 25s are 100. 5s are 100. Okay. So how many notes of 20 she will get? She will get 25 notes of what? 20. Okay. Now C. What is given for the C? C already done. D. All 5 rupees note. All 5 rupees notes. Again the same process. 500 divided by 5. So 5 tens are, or you can say 5 ones are 5. 0. 5 zeros are 0. Again this downside, 5 zeros are 0. So how many notes she will get? She will get 100 notes of rupees 5. So is equal to 100 notes of rupees 5 she will get. So this is about the Razias. Okay, now downside it is written, if you have to distribute 72 tomatoes equally in the 3 baskets, how many tomatoes will be there in each basket? Each is given there, EACH is. And I have said you previous also, when each is given there, what we have to do? We have to do sharing is there, each is there. At that time we have to do the division. And again another thing is given distribution. We have seen what is division, equal distribution, repeated subtraction, equal sharing. All these things are for the division. So let's see that one also. Now next one, you have to distribute 72 tomatoes. How many tomatoes are there? There are total 72 tomatoes. Equally is given, hint is given. In 3 baskets. So number of the baskets are 1, 2 and 3. How many tomatoes will be there in each? Again second hint. In each, एक में कितना आएगा? Means we have to do here distribution, equally distributed, right? So what will we do? We will do here division. So let's write questions, sentences for that. So what will you write? Number of tomatoes. First of all, we will write number of tomatoes. How many tomatoes are there? कितने हैं? That is 72. And number of baskets. Number of baskets. So how many total baskets are here? 3 baskets are here. Okay. So number of tomatoes, what we have to find out in each basket? In each is equal to what? एक basket में कितना tomatoes? That one we have to find out. So let's find out how to do. 72 divided by 3. As I told you, which hint is given? Equally is given, each is given, distribution is given. When these all hints are there, that time you have to do division. So let's divide 72 divided by 3. We can take the single number because this is also single. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 9 will not do. 3 twos are 6. 1. Drag 2 downside. Now we have 12. 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. So in each basket, number of tomatoes are 24. How many tomatoes are there? 24. So let's write in the sentence form. Answer: number of tomatoes in each basket is equal to 24. Okay. Now number 5. Let's see. What is the question? There are 350 bricks. So number of the bricks are 350. In a hand cart यानी जे हाथ की आपने खेचने लेते that lorry is called the hand cart. Okay. How many bricks are there in the hand cart? The total number of the bricks are, that is 350 bricks. Okay. And what is written? Binod found the weight of a brick to be 2 kg. A brick यानी weight of one brick. What is the weight of one brick? That is 2 kg. एक brick की weight क्या है? 2 kg है. The question is there, what will be the weight of all bricks? अगर एक bricks की 2 kg है तो what about the 350? Given for the one, asking for the so many. What we are doing always? We are doing multiplication. Okay, so let's do multiplication. So first of all we have to write sentences for that. What we know? We know the number of bricks. How many number of bricks? Total bricks are 350. Then another thing you know, that is weight of the brick. Weight of one brick. एक brick की हमको चाहिए, that is 2 kg. And we have to find out the weight of 350 bricks. 350 bricks. That one we have to find out. So 350 multiplied by 2. Let's do multiplication. 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 twos are 6 and 1, 7. So the weight of 350 bricks is equal to 700 kg. Okay, so let's write in the sentence form. So see here I have written weight of 350 bricks is equal to 700 kg. So this is about the 127 page number. Now in the next video we will see the next page number. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.